Hey viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Standing here in the house next to the good old Christmas tree. No, this is not a real one, it's a fake one. That's beside the point. This is going to be an update video for the channel. First things first, I'd like to say Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. The channel is going to be a little bit slower because of the fact that it is becoming winter. With that being said, I will try to do the best I can with bringing you guys content for the Fieros. And I know that I've gained a lot of subscribers in the last month. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the channel, guys. And for the original subscribers, you know how this goes, guys. I do what I can with what I got. Like I said, I will bring you guys along when I can. Just last week, we got dumped with about 3 feet of snow. You look outside, you can't even see cherry blossom. That is a 1985 Fiero for my wife. We've nicknamed it Cherry Blossom. There's a small summary. But we can't even see it outside. You can't even tell where it was or it is. Okay? Now, Cheapy is at my parents' place that's about probably 30 miles north of us. They got little to nothing compared to us. They got probably 6 inches, maybe 8 at most. Cheapy you could find. Cherry, not so much. But guys, like I say, happy holidays. Enjoy them with friends, family, and most of all, guys, stay healthy and stay safe, and have a good one.